Welcome to 25 Wingrove Woods, located in the highly desirable executive subdivision known as Highland Estates. This exquisite and exceptionally well-maintained one-owner home offers 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms on the main level and features an open concept floor plan. The lower level is completely finished and the property is loaded with desirable features inside and out. Inside, you've got hardwood floorings, California shutters, granite countertops, main floor laundry, gas fireplace up and down. Outside, you've got an amazing in-ground fiberglass saltwater pool, a very large and mature lot, a 3-car garage, a very large driveway, and its location is ideal. Very quick highway access, as well as quick proximity to some very desirable amenities. Amenities such as exquisite dining, parks and splash pads, great schools, great nature trails, the Grand River. This property is sure to impress the most discerning buyer. If you're looking for an estate lifestyle, 25 Wingrove Woods is absolutely a property you need to explore. If you love what you've just seen and you want more information, reach out to your realtor today or contact any of us here at Campbell & Company Real Estate.